Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? I hope everyone's Christmas was amazing. Ours was just beyond words. I have no words to describe how awesome ours was, really. Andrew was home and it was awesome. Memories were made and it was just great. What I need to talk about right now is like New Year's resolutions, okay, and reevaluating our preps. We're almost there when it comes to our 1 year goal, okay? And I really think that I need to push ourselves. We need to push and push and push to get past that 1 year, okay? Even if it's just going to 13, 14 months. Because something is killing me. Something is telling me, okay? Did you ever just get that feeling, that gut feeling, that something's coming down the pipe and you just don't know what it is, but something's telling you, you better, prepare, keep your eyes open. Something's telling me. So I don't know what it is. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if it's my mom brain. I don't know what it is. I'll tell you what I did today. Just today, my husband called from work and he said, because Andrew went back to Tennessee yesterday morning because he has to go back to work on Monday. Today's Sunday, okay? And he says to me, he said, Jips, he said, Andrew just called and he said that he had to drive in the snow. Now, listen, Tennessee got hit with snow bad, all right? And Andrew sent me pictures of it and all. And Andrew, he's a Florida kid. He grew up here in Florida, right? His car, he's got a great car, but he's been driving down here in Florida. This is the first time he's ever had to drive in snow. He doesn't have snow tires. And he said, Chips, he goes, Andrew said he had to go out to Dunkin' because they didn't have any coffee in the house. So he went to this corner Dunkin' and went and got some boxes of K-Cups and all. And I said, all right. And he goes, I said, I didn't know they didn't have any coffee because we normally send them gift cards or money, because we send them money through that Cash App thing. Or, what do you call them? Like care packages. Okay, we do that every single month. And Andrew didn't say anything about being low on any supplies when he was here. So he said, do me a favor. He said, go and order some stuff and have it delivered. I said, all right, well, I have that thing through Target where I get free deliveries to the house. So I changed the delivery address to Andrew and Madison's address, and they're going to have groceries delivered to the house. And I stocked them up for at least like 3 months on coffee because Andrew's the coffee drinker. Madison, she's the tea drinker. So coffee and tea and non-perishables, And it got me thinking, holy cow. my kids are not telling me what they're low on. Maybe they think they can do this on their own, but I don't think that they can. I mean, you got to figure she's on a low salary. I mean, she really doesn't make a lot because she works at the University of Tennessee, but she works in this program called Future, where she works with special needs kids. And she doesn't make a lot of money, okay, because this is a government-funded program, this program called Future. And Andrew, he still works at Taco Bell, but he also does like DoorDash, okay, things like that. So if you're in the Knoxville area and you order with DoorDash, you might be meeting my son. Good looking kid, red hair, big brown eyes. Anyway, so they're not as prepared as we thought they were. They're not telling us, hey mom, hey dad, we're running low. Because like I said, very, very fixed income. Very, very fixed income. So I sent them, Target's going to be delivering for them. So it's making me sit back and making me reevaluate our preps here. And it's making me think of New Year's resolutions. And my one New Year's resolution is to make absolutely sure my kids are 100% prepared as much as we are. We're at 10 months right now in our prepper pantries. With the exception of our HBA. Our HBA is like 6 months. So on Sean's next day off, which will be Wednesday because Tuesday he's doing overtime, but Wednesday, I'm going to be going out and doing some shopping for HBA and adding just a little bit more food. But also, like I was saying, my gut is telling me something. It's telling me something. I don't know what the heck it's telling me, but it's telling me something. So this is our one pantry, okay? This is Andrew's room, okay? We've got, oh God, I don't know how many buckets here, okay? We've got more buckets here. These 2 buckets here are full of dry beans. I've got another bucket of dry beans in here somewhere. We've got all this food here, okay? This is mainly, just snacks, baking, and what I couldn't fit into the smaller prepper pantry out in the kitchen, okay? We've got canning supplies in here, some paper supplies in here, okay? Now in here, okay, now granted it's a mess, okay? I gotta redo it in here because of the holidays. The kids were here, my niece and nephew. I mean, look what they did with the snacks. And my niece and nephew, there's snack bags all over the place, cookie bags all over the place. Okay, it's a mess in here. But what do you expect? A 5-year-old or 6-year-old? He would kill me. 6 years old and 10-year-old niece and nephew rummaging, right? So they're excused. And then my little shelving unit over here. So, it's time to reevaluate. And then we have, this is the one freezer that's attached to the fridge. Okay, everything is about to fall out. I have about a year's supply. I have like 6 of these gallon freezer bags full of eggs. So we're like good on eggs for a year. So I'm out in my garage now. Had to bring the dogs out with me. They go nuts if they don't come out here with me. Yay, look at the mess. And then here in my freezer, I want to add more meat. We have like a lot of vegetables, okay? I want to go back to Sam's because I've noticed that they clearance out a lot of their meats. So I want to get more meats from Sam's, especially like these. We love these with our stir fries. I don't necessarily make fajitas, but I mean, I do make fajitas, but not a lot, but I make a lot of stir fries with these. These are great. You know, the kids love these. We have a lot of breads in here, like bagels and things like that. A lot of vegetables. Like I always buy these big bags of vegetables, but it's not just one big bag. There's like smaller bags, like enough vegetables for 2 in each bag. So as you can see, I need to reevaluate. I really need to sit and think about my New Year's resolution, what I want to do for the kids, but how can I do it from here when they're up there, okay? To continue to just buy from Target because I have that free shipping thing, or, you know, the free delivery. Not a lot of companies will do that. So if you guys have any idea, I forgot, that's the one thing I forgot to do because we have 2 Sam's cards. I have one in my name, one in Sean's name. I forgot to give Andrew Sean's card. So, you know, I could mail that to Andrew so they could go to Sam's. So I'll do that. At least they'll have a Sam's Club membership. And they can also use that for gas because, you know, gas is always cheaper at Sam's. So, but anyway, that's all for this video. That's my one New Year's resolution, is to get my kids more prepared because they're not telling me and I don't understand why. I don't understand why. Maybe it's because, I don't know, are they embarrassed? Why would they be embarrassed, you know? I don't know. So anyway, that's all for this video. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay positive, stay warm, stay prepared. And I'll see you later. Bye.